So this is Okanagan Lake, and as you can see, the water is still rising. Flooding is still a big problem here. The whole central Okanagan area has been having terrible flooding this year. Okanagan Lake is currently above historic flood levels dating all the way back to 1948. Kalamilka Beach, one of our favorite areas to go here, is flooded too. It doesn't look the same as it did back in September when we were here. The whole beach is underwater right now. They've been filling sandbags for weeks on end now, just trying to save properties and block the water wherever they could to prevent damage. There's signs up asking all boaters to try not to cause any wake in the water, because the water's so high everywhere and everyone is still so worried, and a lot of places are suffering. Luckily where we live up the mountain a bit, so we are not directly affected by any of this, which is good. There are now water warnings for all the cities, and our water sources have high turbidity in them, so there's a recommendation to boil your water. These people's dock is completely underwater. It's happening to a lot of the waterfront properties. We picked a terrible year to move here, actually. They've been having all kinds of crazy weather that they're not used to and is not typical for this climate.